Boom, so hello everybody. This is part 2 of the video.
Okay,
Where we have 3 people instead of just
hear me?
Jacoby. And his YouTube is so that's
Testing.
Jacoby. And then Mr. Banana's over there.
Testing!
Yes, I can hear you.
Why are you talking? Get out!
I am talking. Can't you hear me? Or are you typing on?
Are you
can you hear
ready,
me on the
guys,
speaker
to
then?
kill the motherboard? Not really.
Yes. So in this
Let's go!
today's objective, we're trying to kill
My chicken.
Motherbird. That's not Motherbird. Okay. So it's kind of
Wait, can
gonna
I
be a
tell
journey.
you, Tom?
No,
Because
I said it's my chicken.
Man, that's Goofy. Man, he's
I keep
crying.
running away the chickens, dog.
That chicken is
Come on,
joking
Jacob.
him. Okay, we go.
There we go.
Okay, Tom. Oh, run. Please.
I'll beat the monster right behind me. I'll beat the monster right behind me.
I repeat, he threw a rock and now he's walking to our area, but he can't see us yet. I repeat, he's literally right next to me. Guys, just telling you, big boy's coming. Oh, there's a big boy.
Go.
Run, guys. Run. Guys, follow me.
Over here. Oh, the chicken.
Right here. Do not fall, Tom. If you fall, you will lose all your items you have. He fell? Right as I tell him to not fall, then he falls. He just lost whatever he had. There's the mother chicken. Don't do it yet. Tom,
Where's my backpack?
More stick.
My backpack's gone.
That's my backpack.
Yeah, tell him. Oh wait.
No.
My backpack.
These are all my stuff. I have 2 revolvers. Rocket launcher. I checked in my backpack and no, I do not have anything. I only have 2 revolvers and 1 rocket launcher and 1 flashlight. That's all. I don't know if he dropped it on the way over here. Mr. Banana, are you okay? Guys, I have eyes on the big boy right now. He is humongous.
I got a grenade.
Jacoby, I'm checking around the area to see if you dropped your. I'm checking around the area to see if you dropped your backpack. Let's go. Guys, guess what I got?
I got a grenade.
Guys, I guess what? Where are you guys too? But guess what? I got the mega fist. Where are you guys? Are you guys at the mother chicken? Where are you guys? I repeat, where are you guys? Do you guys copy? Do you guys copy? Do you guys copy? Guys, can you hear me? Jacoby? Mr. Banana? Jacoby and Mr. Banana, can you guys hear me? Can you guys hear me? Hold on. Can you guys hear me or no? Because I've been talking on the radio.
No.
Can you hear me? I was trying to say, where are you guys? Are you guys at the Motherbird already? Tom, can you hear me? Can you guys hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's only on the radio that doesn't work. Because I've been asking on the radio like 15 times, are you guys at the mother? You know, guys, we're about to get like more than probably like $400.
Man here.
But did you cook the cook?
We.
I'm telling you guys, we're getting more than 300. I told you, 500.
Oh my god, that's so much.
That's because of the mother chicken egg. That's why we need to kill her. So guys, Jacoby,
We're rich.
you know there's only one chicken egg that we've been killing? Or mother chicken? What if I told you me and Connor found another chicken? Isn't that Jacoby? Oh, I know where another chicken is.
We
So
just
I know, like, so what do we do?
Okay.
Okay. Tom,
Okay.
Mr. Banana. Guess what? I got more. That's mine. Tom, have you ever used one of these? Mr. Banana. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, Tom. Mr. Banana. Come over here. Come over here, Mr. Banana.
Oh, I'm ready.
Who's ready? Tom.
Go and call.
Before you go in
'cause
this-
I can't hear you.
Oh, wait, no. You can't hear me in the game? Can you hear me on the speaker, though? Tom, can you hear me? Can you hear me in the game? Can you hear me? Wait, hold on.
I'm a
Does
kill
my mouth?
chicken.
Oh, that's why my mouth doesn't move. I wonder why my mouth doesn't move, so nobody can hear me. Okay, that's weird.
Okay.
So that's crazy. They killed chicken, mother chicken. Wait, hold on. I'll just cut back. So it's gonna kind of be the end, or we're just gonna search around for a little bit. Mr. Banana. Oh, there you go. Run! So you can hear me good now? That's good. So sorry I ended off with a short video, but I'll maybe create a part 3 if this video gets 10 likes. So, bye bye.